In this video, I am going to show you how to loop a video on YouTube, on desktop or mobile. Firstly, open a browser on your computer and go to YouTube. Find the video you want to loop and click on it to start playing. While the video is playing, right-click anywhere on the video itself. In the menu that appears, click the loop button, which looks like two arrows rotating clockwise. Your video is now set to loop. Double-check, right-click the video again, and you should see the check mark next to the loop option. And that's it. Your video will now play on a continuous loop. This method also works on iPhone and Android. Just click on the three dots and select the loop option. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.